Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on an EBL. Now this is an everyday carry. They contacted me and asked me to test and review this product of theirs. They have an Amazon store. Comes in this box. So let's open it up and see what's in. Now this has a max lumen of 360 lumens. Comes with the owner's manual. Okay. Thought maybe there would be a chart in here on the actual lumen output. So there it is. And here's the light. Now this is a nice rope style lanyard that comes with this. Pretty nice. And you can take that off as well. So we'll take a look here. Machining on this is nice. Knurling here is pretty nice. Tail switch button on there. And this is running a Cree LED in this. Smooth reflector. Really nice quality, not bad for the price. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you what I'm running in it. There's the contact plate, there's spring behind that. I am running the eFest 2000 milliamp. These are an unprotected cell, button top, really good performance out of these, and I've had no problems with them at all. And we'll go ahead and show you this spring down inside. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this back together. And let's go over the UI here. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. It's got a nice hot spot there. It's got a pretty big spill on it. Now remember, this is not the most powerful light, but for everyday carry, that's 360 lumens is not bad at all. And we're going to go ahead, go to the next level. There's medium. There's low. Then you have strobe. And then you have SOS. And then you have high again. Alright. Well, let's go ahead and take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the EBL flashlight. Kind of small there. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. And that's pretty nice. Nice spot on that. So we're going to go ahead and pan it around. Even at this range, spill is kind of weak, but the spot is pretty intense. And as you can see, the spill area on the fence, it's got some good range down there. We're going to go ahead and try, and it is faintly making it across the park. So this is definitely, for the size, you're getting some range on this, usually making the tree of life. Remember, this is only 360 lumens, I believe, if I remember correctly. So we're just going to show it at the highest output on this for you people. And there we go. Got some good range on it for an everyday carry, not bad at all. It's got some good range on it. It is making faintly across the park. And then making that tree set there behind it. And this is pretty impressive for the fact that it is not that high in lumens. Alright. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots. This thing has some pretty impressive throw for such a low lumen output. It actually throws pretty well. Quite surprised with it. Now, I'm not seeing any issues here with the build quality. It's actually pretty nice. Lanyard is also decent quality. So all in all, not too bad of a product. I'm going to go ahead and say that this is definitely, for the price, is a pretty good deal. Definitely bright enough for your everyday carry. Also having it as an emergency light as well. Put it in your nightstand, keep it in your tote bag, in your camping gear. Not a bad light at all. And definitely, you know, small enough to keep that in your hand, hide it easily. Now, I just want to thank EBL for sending me this light for review. They do have an Amazon store, so you can pick this up from their Amazon store for quick shipping. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.